Good morning, viewers from around the world. Today is one of my uncle's birthdays that lived with me in America for, I've known him forever, and he's lived with me for over 20 years in America. It's his birthday today. So today I will be roasting that pig right there. Definitely have a good roast today, and I'll continue to show more videos. I'm gonna do a short right now. Thank you for watching, and I'm gonna go and enjoy the day shopping and getting things prepped and ready for my uncle's birthday. He's 61 years old today. He's moved back to Tonga for good, and he's not gonna head back to the States again. So we're gonna celebrate good, beautiful dinner tonight with a roasted pig. And that is a blessing in itself that he's lasted this long in America to come here and retire and enjoy his life and live it out peacefully, humbly, relaxing. Hold on. Oh, maybe. Yeah. Maybe I'll go to town with you guys. But yeah, they're asking me, do I want to go to Nuku'alofa? So I will see.
You gonna go to town?
I don't have a reason besides maybe checking on the money.
Oh, I gotta go and register Toro to go to Toro.
Okay. Ooh, ready for school, huh? My nephew's getting ready for school. Big boy back there that turned 11. He's ready to go to the next school. So those are things we'll be doing today. Getting ready for the birthday, roast a pig, eat good, and I will definitely keep you posted. Have a great day, and thank you guys for watching.